I've got so much admiration for Roy Keane, and even now, I have to say, you know, we're at the World Cup together, and like we spent a lot of time together, and you know, I was thinking, oh my gosh, we're really cool mates, and it's fine. And I remember there's one time I said, Roy, we go for lunch because we had breakfast, then we'd go for lunch, and then he said, okay, righty, see you at 1:15. I said, no problem. I've just got to do some stuff. Al, remember we was doing stuff, Al, when we was at the World Cup, so I had to come and do that. And I said, I got there, it must have been 1:17, maximum. And I was waiting down there, and then I thought, where is he? And I phoned him up, and he said, Roy, I'm in the lobby, what are you doing? He said, righty, what time did we say? I said, 1:15, I'm just 1:17. He says, righty, 1:15 is 1:15, I'm not coming. And I said, I laughed, because I thought, oh, he's only messing about. So I said, oh, no, it's like, you know. Okay, and he said, righty, I'm not coming. And he hung up the phone, and I never saw him till the evening. And then as soon as I saw him, he done one of those, that cheeky smile what he's got, where he says, no, righty, you know, this is why. And he said, this is why Man United was so successful. We done what had to be done on time.